concrete and prefabricated steel sections in the structures where a particular part on form is repeated many line. So here, by using this prefabrication system, the repeated structures might be, it can save the designing time, and then even this construction molding process of the different elements, so that process can be minimized. So ultimately it can minimize the time, and then it can even decreases the construction cost also. And then pouring of the concrete section in a factory, it brings the advantages of the being able to reuse the molds, and the concrete can be mixed on the spot without having to be transported to the pumped wet on a congested construction site. So if they have compared with the conventional building, so here might we have know about knowing about the concrete usage. First they will take the ingredients and then they will mix that, and then with a proper workability condition they will transport that one from the mixing place to the required location, and then they will go for the compacting process, and then they will go for the leveling process. So like that, the usage of the concrete will be having so many stages, but here that time taken to start that one by using, right? So after adding the water, that concrete has been mixed, right? So since from that time till the finishing time, so compared to conventional method, in the prefabrication method it takes lesser time, right? So we can achieve the better quality with respect to the workability part, with respect to the strength part. And since here the most of the work it is with a close supervisions, so that time we can achieve the better quality. So, and even we can save the concrete also, because in the conventional method it is going to be supply from mixing place to the required location. So that time what it happens, might be while shifting that one from one place to another place, might be some part of the concrete may get wastages, and while leveling some part of the concrete may get wastages, while compacting also some part of the concrete may get wastage, and while pumping also, in that pumping machine or else that pumping pipe what we can say, so there also that concrete may get attached, and then it may comes under with wastage part, right? So we can save the concrete materials or any materials in this part. And then the prefabricated steel sections, which reduces on-site cutting and welding cost as well as the associated hazards. So here if they have used the steel structure as the prefabricated elements, so here they can minimize the wastage of the steels, and even they can minimize the total welding part. So how means, if in the construction site if they are cutting and doing the welding process, so might be because of improper knowledge or else improper cutting of the machines and all, so might be it may leads the excess of usage of the materials there with respect to the steel and all. The same thing in the factory, so they can be having the close supervision with respect to all the parts of the processes, so that there will be no wastage of the materials can be seen in this prefabrication system. And this prefabrication techniques are wood in the construction of the apartment slabs and housing developments with repeated housing units. So here this prefabrication system, even by using the wood material also it can be constructed. So here wood is usually the lightweight material compared to the other building units. So here entire building only, entiring one house only they can construct, and they can supply that one by using the transporting vehicles. So each and every elements have been fixed, and they will prepare a ready-made home, and then they will shift that one to the required location. So in you have seen so many structures with wood. So in the foreign countries and all, you have seen so many buildings which are constructed by using the wood. So that one they can prefer by using this prefabricated system, and then they can construct those. And the technique is also used in office blocks, warehouses and factory buildings, and this is a continuation part of uses of the prefabrication. So here prefabricated steel and glass sections which are widely used for the exterior of large buildings. So here whatever the members are coming at the external part, such as glass sections and the steel members, which are much helpful with respect to this prefabrication system. And prefabricated bridge elements and systems which offer bridge designers and contractors, that is significant advantages in terms of construction time, safety, environmental impact, constructant liability, and even cost also. So during in the construction of bridges where the heavily traffic part will be there, so that time if they are constructing that one in the construction site itself, so that time might be it may cause some of the problems or hazardous with respect to the traffic what they are going to use that existing road or existing way there. So if that each and every elements such as columns, that girders and all, if they have constructed in the factory itself, just they will bring that and they will insert that one at the required location. So that time it will be much helpful with respect to the safety part if they have used this prefabrication system. So you can take the better example as they have constructed the Kapileshwar bridge there. So they have used that prefabrication systems only there. So they have prepared those building units at one place and then they have erected that. If they are using continuously that particular traffic place there, so might be it may comes with some of the accidents. So it's better to use this prefabrication system in such cases. And this prefabrication can also help to minimize the impact from bridge building. Okay. And radio towers which are for mobile phone and the other services often consist of multiple prefabricated sections. So here radio towers such as for the mobile towers what we can say, so here they have used the steel structures. I mean by using the steel members they have constructed this. So it is better to use the prefabrication system, that is each and every member of that crane has been already manufactured in the site itself as per the designs, and then they will install here that one at the required location. And this prefabricated has become widely used in the assembly of the aircraft and spacecraft, with components such as wings and fuselage sections after being manufactured in the different countries or states from the final assembly site. So here what they are telling, this prefabrication system it is also helpful in the assembly of use in the assembly of the aircraft and the spacecraft. So here these members also they can be constructed by using this prefabrication, that is by various places this smaller part of the aircraft or the main part of the aircraft have been constructed from the various places, and then they will supply that one from the manufacturing factory to the that assembly part there. So here such as wings and the fuselage section. So wings usually wings of the aircraft and fuselage in the sense that entire body, the main body what the passengers will be using, so that part we can call it as the fuselage sections. So these sections and wings have been constructed in the different countries, and then they will supply that one from that place to the assembly part, and then they can construct this. And the main advantages of this prefabrication, that is the self-supporting ready-made components are used, so the need for formwork, shuttering and scaffolding is greatly reduced. So here what they are telling, if they have prepared the all the elements of the building such as walls and all in the factory itself with the plastering and painting work, so no need of providing the scaffoldings and even the shuttering part in the building. So that particular cost we can save in the prefabricated system, since they are not much useful in the construction site, because those members, I mean those work, whatever it is needed by using that shuttering and scaffolding, and even by using the formwork. So each and every work has been done in manufacturing site itself, so that cost we can be minimized. And even we can even reduce the rate of accidents also, because if high rise buildings and all, that scaffoldings and all, it will be there in that much part only, so that time the chances of accidents may takes place. So that one we can be minimized by using this prefabrication system. And construction time is reduced and buildings are completed sooner, which are allowing on a earlier return of capital invested. So here what they are telling, so might be this initial investment is higher in this prefabrication system, but whatever you have invested the money there, so that earlier return will be there in this prefabrication system. Because I will give you one example: a building with a conventional building and a building which is constructed with the prefabricated system. So here prefabricated system, that initial investment might be, it is more compared to the conventional building, right? And here, but in the conventional building, that total duration of a construction is more, but whereas in the prefabricated system it is less. So as an example, a prefabricated system might be, it will takes 2 months of the total duration to construct that, whereas for the conventional building might be, it will take 12 months, right? So whatever the money you have invested for those 2 months, so you can get that one, I mean, that whatever the early return is there, you can get that one, those remaining duration of the conventional building. So 10 months you can save with respect to that conventional building. So within that 10 months, whatever you have invested the money, so that most of the part you can get it back in the form of earlier return. Okay. So on-site construction and congestion is minimized. So if the work is carried out as per the conventional building only, so here might be the construction site, it is full of with storage of raw materials and all, so that time it may leads what congestion in the working place. So that one we can be minimized by using this prefabrication system. So quality control can be easier in the factory assembly line setting than a construction site setting. So here control supervision will be there, so we can achieve the better quality in the in every structural elements. And prefabrication can be located where the skilled labors, power materials, space and overheads are lower. So here what they are telling, so here total the whatever the labors are required in the conventional method, so that labor, I mean the skilled labors and all, they are not much needed in this prefabrication system. And some of the power materials such as acceleration, I mean accelerating materials, or that super plasticizer and all, so those particular materials are not much required in this prefabrication system. And the time spent in bad weather or hazardous environments at the construction site is minimized. So here, so these members, I mean this process can be utilized in all weather conditions. I mean even in rainy season also we can prefer this prefabrication system, so no much stoppage of the work and all by this environmental hazardous. And the materials for scaffolding is stored partly or in full and used. So whatever the space is required for the scaffolding and all, that space also we can be minimized. And availability of precise structures and expect workmanship. So here we'll get the precise structures, that is as per the designs we'll get the prefabricated buildings. Expect that workmanship, here the labor part of the labor is very low, since each and every work it has been constructed in the site itself, and just they will bring and they will insert that. So whatever the part of the labor's work is there, so that entire labor's work can be minimized here. So work time is reduced since we have already discussed. So the part of construction with respect to the conventional building, the time will take less in the prefabricated system, and interaction in the connecting can be omitted. So here it is already prepared that which member have to be fixed on which member. So every marks have been provided, all the hooks have been provided, so there will be no confusion in the erection part. So the work can be followed up easily without any interruptions, and work is done with a better technology, that is by using various equipments, especially in the part of the erection, and even in the manufacturing process of the building units we can use so many technologies. We'll study in the further part, so we can achieve the better part, construction part, in the prefabrication. So less workers are needed, and